Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your headphones JBL Everest. And the first one, these headphones have a controls, so when you listen to music or watching a movie you don't need to use your phone. You can just use a gesture. You can volume up and volume down the music. You can play or pause the music or movie. Also, you can play next or previous track by pressing hold on this volume up and volume down button. Next one, these headphones support dual connection, so you can connect two devices to your headphones without at the same time. You can connect it at the same time and use it. Next one, these headphones have something what called Share Me. And right here at the right ear cup we have special button near to the Bluetooth button, and we can share your audio to another Bluetooth wireless headphones. So it's a cool one. If you have some trouble with your headphones and you wanna fix it, you can easily perform a factory reset. You just press and hold at the same time at the volume up button would have a plus icon and volume down button would have a minus icon. So you just press and hold it for at least 5 seconds and then your headphones is turned off and then you can pair it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.